Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Hello and welcome if you are new. So first things first, I got my braces off. But by the title you can tell this will be another hair review video. You guys seem to really love my last one, so I thought I would do another one. So the hair I'm reviewing today is Unice hair. The hair in my head is Unice hair. I forgot I know it's Brazilian something. I forgot like everything else about it, so like I'll link it in my description box, like the hair and the inches I ordered, because I did end up cutting this hair. So first things first, we will talk about the good. The good with this hair is that it's soft. I really like that it's soft. The bundles are pretty decent size. They don't like skimp you on the bundles. I hate when hair companies do that. You buy 3 bundles and it really looks like they just took 2 bundles and made 3. But these are actually decent sized bundles. So the wig that I ordered from DIVAS Wigs, it was fading in color a lot, even with me not washing it at all, really. Like I just co-washed it. But I washed his hair and the color stays. Also, I had this hair made into a wig, and I will insert the video or the picture right here. Yes, so I had it made into a wig. I did not like it in the wig too much, but so I didn't like it in the wig too much, so I took apart the wig and I got it sewn into my head. But I don't think the wig was the issue. I think the closure is the issue. I'm having an issue with this closure. It requires a lot of maintenance, like pre-plucking, and like the part just looks awful, like it does. But with like I really have to finesse this part. Like I don't understand why it's taking so much for this part to look good, or this closure to look good, but it's taking a lot out of me, and honestly I'm sick of it. So I don't really like that. But the hair itself is actually nice hair. So I guess I already really started talking about things I don't like, which is like the closure I don't like that much. And the way the hair curls, it doesn't hold curls well. It just doesn't. Like it can get really pretty straight, but it just doesn't hold curls very well. So that's annoying. I tried to curl this, like wand curl it. This side is like I don't even know what's up with this side, so we're gonna ignore that. But it just doesn't hold curls very well at all. So I bought this hair in February for my birthday. That's why I got it made into a wig, and that was pretty much the only month I wore it. And then I did not wear it in March. I did not wear it in April. It is now May. So it is now a few months later, and I took the wig apart and I got it sewn into my head. And like I said, the wig wasn't even the issue. It was the closure is the issue. But as far as like washing and stuff goes, this hair holds its color very well. I don't have any fading or anything like that like I did with my last wig. And shedding is literally minimal to none. Like I haven't had any issues with shedding. And that could be because I cut the hair. I cut it. So that could be the reason. Or it's just really good at, not shedding. But the ultimate question is, will I purchase hair again? And honestly, I would purchase the bundles again, but I probably wouldn't purchase the closure again. I just don't like this closure. Like I don't like it at all, but it's whatever. Also, as far as shipping and everything goes, shipping was cool. They were very responsive to me. I'm also a gold member with them, or VIP member. That might be why, but they were very responsive when I questioned them and like emailed them or whatever about the hair, and they're very responsive. But this closure though, guys, like I haven't even tried to lay no baby hairs down today. I'm just filming this video. But yeah, overall I will order the bundles again. I would not order the closure again, but the hair is pretty good, minimal to no shedding, holds its color very well, doesn't curl very well, but can get really pretty when it's straight. The bundles are really a decent amount of hair in each one. They're not skimpy bundles, and that's pretty much it. So this is a very short video. If you guys have any more questions or any more reviews you want me to do, just let me know. I do have another hair review coming up. I promise I do. But for now, I'll see you guys in my next video.